I know you don't. I've been holding guard for so long, and I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start now. Tell me where you hide, where do you go? Tell me, is she nice? Does she know I know? Tell me why you lie. Tell me why. I don't know what you are. I don't know what you are now. What you did. Yeah, you know I love you, but I can't forgive it. You could tell me stay, but I have to go. 'Cause I would not expect someone to stay around if I let them down like this. Right when I let my guard down, you play around. And no, not this time, we can't hash shit out. It's too late for me to stay. I wish all the things you say was what your behavior displayed. I could've done without lies. And although I know love is blind, this just don't feel right. Ain't no more me, ain't no more you, me. What you did. Yeah, you know I love you, but I can't forgive it. You could tell me stay, but I have to go. I gotta go. I would not expect someone to stay around if I let them down. Oh, what you did. Yeah, you know I love you, but I can't forgive it. You could tell me stay, but I have to go. 'Cause I would not expect someone to stay around if I let them down. Oh, you did come to me, said I'm so down. Oh, I won't excuse it. I don't wanna go down. Do you know that you've been the reason I'm so low? So you tell me to stay here, but you know that I won't. 'Cause I still can't believe what you did. Yeah, you know I love you, but I can't forgive it. You could tell me stay, but I have to go. 'Cause I would not expect someone to stay around if I let them down. Oh, what you did. Yeah, you know I love you, but I can't forgive it. You could tell me stay, but I have to go. 'Cause I would not expect someone to stay around if I let them down. I did well. Don't apologize, please. I would never do it right. Don't judge me for mine, please. Don't judge me for mine.
Okay, guys, welcome back to Weekend Smiles. So we're now joined by weight loss and fitness coach of Weight Aerobics, Mobaya Savory, who is bringing us through a series of step aerobics to get our bodies toned and right. And he bring out the whole team with him this morning as well. Morning to you, Sir Savory.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Quickly introduce the members of your team, please.
Okay, sure. So Ashley Williamson, Ari, Takenya Kellerman.
And I don't want to underestimate Ari because of her height, so let me tell you something. She is like next level in her age because Ari is ready. Now listen to me, I mean, this is amazing. I've never done step aerobics before, right? You look like you have been a part of the fitness game since you were Ari's age.
Well, not necessarily Ari's age, but as far as back as high school.
Okay.
I was a part of the track and field team. Right, and so fitness has always been a thing for me.
Nice.
Okay, and what actually inspired you to start Weight Aerobics?
Well, pretty much I give a background. Weight Aerobics is pretty much a aerobics type of class that focuses on step aerobics, dance aerobics, and strength training, just name a few. But what has inspired me to start this, though, is that, persons always see me and say, which gym you go? Mm-hmm. But I never go to a gym, but I'm always running and, keeping the body right. right?
Yeah.
So persons always ask me, which gym I go? And I said, I don't go to a gym. But anyhow, there was this person that came to me and said, can you train me? And I said, sure. And we start a little session at work, right? And, person would pass and see us down there exercising. And there's this particular department that says, hey, I want to be a part of this because they saw the result of the lady.
Okay.
Right? And that entire department came and joined us. And so you find that more persons start to come and join us, and it just
took off from there.
Took off from there.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. You know what's interesting? I find that when people look at step aerobics, they're just saying, boy, them people just move up and down in a dance. I don't think you can really lose no weight or get toned from something like that. Tell us how it actually impacts the body, though, this movement of stepping up and down and moving in a circular motion. You tell me how it actually works.
All right, so the thing is that step is very dynamic and it's interactive. And it is a little bit more than just doing exercises off the step. All right, so like say for instance, a right basic, right? You're going up like this, it targets the quadriceps, right? And as well as if you're doing something like a jump shots, targets your calf type of thing. So every single move that we do on this step board, it targets a particular body part.
Okay.
Right, so for ladies who want to get a nice little bump, right? Side legs, you step inside, that kind
And
of
that lifts the...
Yes,
okay.
work this area.
All right,
Yes.
okay.
It's interesting because I remember doing step classes at the gym because I like to go to the gym, right? So I do all sorts of different things just not to get bored. But the coordination and me, I don't have no coordination. Everybody knows I don't have no coordination. Especially that turn, it don't work. So tell me, who is this, weight aerobics and these step classes good for? Like, who can do it?
All right, so I'll tell you something. As you can see, we bring Ari here, right? So step class is very diverse. Anybody can do it. And the good thing about it is that what is being done on the step, you can do it off the step.
Okay.
All right? And so if it is too difficult for you to do it on the step,
Or if I have knee problem.
or if you have knee problem, you can exit the step and you can do all the different moves off the step.
So any age group, anybody can really come and do step
The
aerobics.
young, the old, the in-between.
Okay, well, you're going to show us what's happening today, right?
Of course.
All right, so let's get into it.
Okay, I think Shella going to play some music because you need music for it for this class,
the
right?
instrumental that we're going to use, all right?
All right, cool.
All right, so the first press move is what we call a right basic. Pretty much what we're doing is walking on the stepper, all right? So let's go. So it's 1.
Okay.
You have to catch a beat, baby, all right? Switch to basic. There you go.
No, man, hold on. Go on, you ready? I'm back on it.
There you go. Give me corner knees now. Corner knees. Knee, there you go. Knee. And jump shots now. Step and jump.
Hey!
Step and jump. Step and jump. And side leg. Side.
Oh, okay, all right, cool.
Step inside. Step inside. 3 knees, come on. And 3.
All
and
right.
2.
Oh, okay, cool.
And 1, let's go now. And 3. And 2. Keep going.
Oh my gosh.
And 3. And 2. And 1. Come on. And 3. And 2. Heel toe now. Heel toe, knee.
this is-
Let's go.
This new to me.
Heel toe, knee.
Oh, Lord, man.
Heel toe, knee. Come on. Left basic.
What is that basic? Oh, okay, all right,
Walking.
cool.
There you go. Head switch to basic.
Got it, okay.
Right. Come on.
I love how he got it like he's into Carter.
Right?
Basic. There you go. Come on. Let's work.
Woo, what do I do with my hands in between it,
And
though?
switch to basic.
Anything?
And work them on. Yeah. We're listening again?
Yeah.
Corner knees now. Corner knees. There you go. Corner knees. Beautiful.
Hey!
And jump shot.
I think I find the rhythm.
Step and jump.
Hey!
Step and jump. And step and jump. Inside, leg. Inside. Come on. Inside. Inside. 3 knees. Hey. Keep going, my side. Come on. And 3, and 2, and 1. Come on. And 3. And give me heel toe now. Heel toe, beautiful. Heel toe, knee. Good. There you go. Left basic now. Left.
Oh, got it. All right. Okay, cool. We'll have this.
Head switch it up now. So this is pretty much a basic move.
So how long does a class like this last for though?
Pardon me?
How long a class lasts for, usually?
1 hour.
Okay.
1 hour of stepping?
And switch it up, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go to a different song.
Okay.
That is a little bit more high tempo. All right?
No, hold on, no.
Another one.
High tempo.
Where's water? Water.
A little bit more high tempo.
You don't normally like pause in between and drink some water and drink some, you know?
Yeah, of course. We have a little water break.
Where's the produce?
Oh yeah, well no. I was told by Prince that we can stand down. We can just stand down if we're too exhausted.
Yeah, man. You know, so we as hosts, we're going to sweat, you know.
Okay,
so,
well,
you know.
you guys can show us.
Yeah.
You don't want to do this one with us?
We might try.
We'll see. You will see. But this is your zone. It's your zone.
Okay. All right.
Show it to
DJ,
us.
Let's go. All right now.
Watch Ari though. Look at Ari. Ari just going.
Are you ready? In 5, 4, give me right basic. 1, come on now. And 2, let's go. 3,
Oh, you speed it up.
and switch it up. Come on, 1, come on now. 2, let's go. 3, you better switch it up. 1, come on.
Okay.
2, 3, switch it up. 1, 2, 3. Give me corner knees now. It's high pace, come on. It's high energy. And let's go. You better touch your toes now. And hands up, come on. Hands up. And hands up. You better hit your heels now. Hit them heels now.
Oh, okay.
Let's go. Let's go. You better crunch it down now. Crunch it down.
Why do you think you crunch it down?
Crunch it
All right, hold on.
Find you.
Yeah, all right.
Somebody can continue, but if it is that, you know, how can persons find
All right, so persons can find us at Weight Aerobics on all socials. All right, Weight Aerobics on Instagram, Weight Aerobics on TikTok.
Okay.
All right, and we are located at ABC Electrical Sales in the car park. That's Shop 8, Agri Park Plaza, Alpha
Okay.
Tree.
I don't
What
think
day,
I know
what
Ari
time?
just
Oh,
came
we
with
operate
completely.
classes Mondays through Thursdays at 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m.
Okay, all right, and we can have a nice mix of some weight aerobics and some other things. You do
course.
some core in the middle too, right? Some
Yes,
core in the
definitely.
middle.
In
All
fact,
right.
we are a full-fledged gym.
Okay.
Yes,
Got
we
it.
have all the
Okay.
equipment that you need to get in shape.
All right,
Nice.
we love that.
Nice.
Thank you guys so much for joining us this morning. Ari, good job.
Good
baby
job,
girl.
Ari.
And yes, everybody, good job. But Ari,
No, but
you're
Ari the boss. Ari's just starting.
All right,
Listen.
guys, soon come back more Weekend Smile
Woo.
after the break.
Ari, come, Ari.